Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial we will learn how to uninstall and reinstall Cortana on your Windows 10. For this guys, I'm going to show you very easy and very simple method to do this. First we will uninstall the Cortana from Windows 10. To uninstall, hold Windows key, press X, and here you can get the option Windows PowerShell admin. Just open this, and here guys you want to copy and paste some command. This command you will get in the video description. Just copy this and paste it on Windows PowerShell. After pasting guys, just you want to hit enter. After this guys, wait for few seconds. After then your Cortana was completely uninstalled from your Windows 10. So this is the way to uninstall Cortana. So now let's see how to reinstall Cortana on Windows 10. To reinstall it, press Windows key button, and here you want to search Microsoft Store. Just open your Microsoft Store, and here you want to search Cortana and hit enter. As you can see guys, the Cortana app is here. Just open this. From here you can easily install the Cortana app on your Windows 10. That's it. So this is the very easy and very simple method to uninstall and reinstall the Cortana in your Windows 10. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.